When we compare the goal of movement particles A and ni, we learn ni emphasizes the goal, the narrow, specific, and stable goal. Ni can be used many ways. Time, for example. When you say, I go to bed at 3 o'clock, 3時に寝ます. 3 o'clock is a specific point and a stable goal. Stable means that it does not change no matter when you declare it. But when you said, I will sleep for 3 hours, there's no specific indication for time you will go to sleep. So you wouldn't use ni, 3時間寝ます. When you say on January 5th, the date is specific and indicates a stable goal. So you need ni. 1月5日に行きます. You might think that when you say, I'll go tomorrow, there's a specific pinpoint time. After all, tomorrow is always the day after today. But tomorrow is not stable. Tomorrow changes depending on when you say it. When you say tomorrow on the 5th, it's the 6th. But when you say tomorrow on the 22nd, it means 23rd. So 明日行きます should not use ni. The same is true with now, next week, and such. It is similar to English rule. If the English translation has prepositions such as at, in, on, particle ni is required in Japanese. Except for that for 3 days, does not have ni in Japanese. There are in-between time words in Japanese that you can include ni, but it is not required. For example, Sundays, Monday, morning, the next day, summer vacation, etc. Sunday is Sunday no matter when you say it, but there's so many Sundays and it does not specify a specific Sunday. Summer vacation has a duration and does not point at the specific narrow point in time. These in-between time words, ni is optional. 日曜日に行きます. 日曜日行きます. 朝に食べます. 朝食べます. 夏休みに読みます. 夏休み読みます.